This part is very important. So listen attentively. If you miss this part, your product is gone. Like you're not getting your product at all. Your money is wasted. Hello, my name is Nkemoka Zaka. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you and also show you how to pay your supplier on Alibaba.com and what payment method works best for Africans. So if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Namibia, etc. Just stay tuned and know what payment method work best for you, not just on Alibaba.com, but any online international transaction. Stay tuned, guys. How do I pay my supplier on Alibaba.com? I either use Alipay or Trade Assurance. Alipay is not secure on Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com does not recognize Alipay on their platform yet at the moment. So Alipay is not secured on Alibaba.com. But sometimes I use Alipay to pay my supplier. What is Alipay? Alipay is a mobile payments gateway that allows users to send and receive payment in yuan. Yuan is Chinese money. This Alipay is not secured on Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com, they used to say that if you take your payment outside the platform, it is not secure. The best form to pay your supplier on Alibaba.com is via Trade Assurance. What is Trade Assurance? Trade Assurance is a payment method that allows you to send money to your supplier. Alibaba has 5 different payment methods, or you can call it payment option, in which you can use to pay your supplier on their platform. Alibaba has the credit and debit card. Alibaba has PayPal. Alibaba has online transfer, wire transfer, and lastly, Apple Pay at the moment. So you can use the 5 different payment methods to pay your supplier. But the best you can use for we business owners in Africa is either you use the debit or credit card, or you get the PayPal account. So using a credit or debit card, I would advise you get a dollar card. Dollar card is the best you can use, or you get the PayPal. As at last December, PayPal gave a bonus on if you use, I think from December 1st to December 31st, if you pay your supplier via PayPal, PayPal will not deduct the transaction fee from your payments. So as sometimes PayPal give bonus on the payment, so it's easy to use the PayPal. Just get the PayPal account and connect it. A PayPal account and connect and use it to pay your supplier. Just get the PayPal account and use it to pay your supplier. Or the best you can use is to get a dollar card. So let's go over and see how the payment method works on Alibaba.com. This part is very important. So listen attentively. If you miss this part, your product is gone. Like you're not getting your product at all. Your money is wasted. So listen. After setting up your supplier will ask for your shipping agent address. So you send in your shipping agent address, phone number, and the person's name. After then, you will now write name on the package, your own name. If it's your business name, you write your business name and your phone number, the active phone number. You can even write 2 phone numbers there. So please, this is very important. Like you need to send your name. You put their name on package. Send your name and phone number. After that, the supplier will send you a payment receipt to make payment. Click on make payment. So before you make payment, you try as much as possible to check if the other details is correct. check if the order details is correct, if it's what you ordered for and the number of what you ordered for. Then you go ahead to make payment. This is what I said earlier: credit/debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, online transfer, wire transfer. So let's assuming we are using a Visa card. So you click on pay with a new card. Then you click on the card details, the name on the card, the expiration date, the security code. If the billing address is in China, you will not click on this. So you don't click on it because the billing address and the shipping address is not the same thing. Then you fill in your address. You fill in the zip code and everything. You fill it. Then you click on done. If you want to add this card to your Alibaba.com account, you click on this. But if you don't want to add it, you remove it. And then you click on pay now. Then it will pay. Your transaction will go. It's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. And if you have a PayPal account, you click on PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and make an automatic payment. So you click on pay with PayPal. You fill in your email address and you click on next and all. Then it will go through. It's very easy to make payment. And if it's Apple Pay you are using, same thing you do. Click on pay now. I don't know why it's not loading. Same thing you do for the online transfer and wire transfer. But the best payment method to use if you're in Africa is either you use a Visa or a PayPal, like I said earlier. These two works for us, works perfect. And if you have an Apple Pay also, if your Apple Pay account is credited, so you can use the Apple Pay. It's very easy to make payment. Once you make payment, automatically Alibaba deduct the money from your account. If it's the local card you're using, if it's your dollar card, whatever card you're using, immediately Alibaba deduct the money. Your supplier receive it. Then you can tell your supplier that you've made payment, and then they will confirm it, and your goods will be sent out in maybe let's say like in less than 2 to 3 days. If the goods is not much, it will be sent out within 2 to 3 days. If you're in Africa and you don't have a dollar card yet, do it instead. So this is what you do: you make research on which bank, whatever country you are, you make research on which bank has the lowest dollar rate charges. So you go on Google, you ask questions, then you use that particular card to make your payment.